Fish on. We got another one on. Fish on, fish on. Got us another good sizer. What's going on, guys? It's Sam from Cast Blast Camp, and today I'm back at the City Creek. This little spillway is a bit lower than it was last time. It's been a little bit drier, a little bit hotter. But I'm coming back to get some bait. Hopefully gonna have plenty of bait here for next time I go fishing for big cats. Thanks for watching. I've already caught a couple of sunfish out of here. I'm thinking there's a few more. Just got a small little hook with a chunk of worm, a little split shot. Got one on. Bluegill. We got bait. Collecting bait. Here recently I've been doing some hunting, but I wanted to take a break from deer hunting and go fishing. I've been tracking a few deer out in the woods. Next time I go, I'm going to reposition myself, hopefully get a deer and get that on camera for you guys. Oh, it came off the hook. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, what was that? He did come off the hook. Time for a new chunk of worm. We got another one on. There's a little pool down there of them. Got pretty colors on him. Go ahead and put him out. See if we can get another. Oh man. He ripped a good chunk of that piece off. That last one was a good strong fighter. Fish on, fish on. Got us another good sizer. Good sizer for this place. These are just really simple to catch, guys. I mean, you just toss it out there, you wait till you see the line get tight, or you feel a little thump on your rod. You don't even need a bobber. One, two, three, four. This makes number 5. Let's get number 6. It's just about on every cast too. I love little honey holes like that. Fish on. Oh, he came off last second. No. No. Ah, yes. Got a fish on. That's a big one there. I almost lost him to that snag. It's a big one for this little creek. It's really a small one in comparison to some real big ones, but for this little hole, it's a good sizer. Makes number 6. I have good bait at this rate. There we go, another fish on. We're gonna get good bait at this rate, guys. Got a fish on, guys. Oh, that's a good one. It's fighting good. Looky, looky, that's a good one. That might be the biggest one I've caught so far. That's a good fish there. Make for great bait. I'll hook this one wacky style. Fish on. Another fish on. Another good sizer for this little creek. Before it gets too dark, I'm gonna take a break from the pan fishing. See if I can catch any bass. Throwing out a drop shot rig with about a 10-inch red worm on a Texas rig. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for the night, guys. It's just going to be a quick one today. I was wanting to make a video because it's been a while since I've uploaded one. I've been out in the woods a lot here recently tracking some deer, but I just haven't been able to harvest one yet. So hopefully in the next time or two I go out, I'll be able to harvest a deer and get my first deer hunting video uploaded. But until then, I hope you enjoyed the video watching me catch some bait for my next catfishing trip. Who knows what I might catch with it, catfish or bass, don't know yet. Who knows, maybe even alligator gar. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing, and sharing this video with friends and family. Until next time, Sam out.